ready? You and Daddy are going to play in the sandbox. Yeah, Daddy's going to play.
Scoop it
Listen.
up.
Did you hear him do the ooh?
Mm-hmm.
Pour it in. You want to pour too?
Pour.
Pour it in here, Brody. Scoop it up. Pour it in.
Daddy has a little bucket.
Scoop it up. Pour it in. Thank you.
Scoop.
Pour it in.
Go round and around.
Uh-oh. It's okay. The sand's soft. Where's
You
the
want to
cat?
scoop it?
You need more sand.
Scoop it up.
Scoop it up.
You want that? Pour it in.
Good job.
Scoop it up.
Scoop it up.
Pour it in.
Pour it in. I'm echoing you because we're giving the stimulus to him again, we can hear it. So, and then you're a man voice and a female voice, that gives him a little contrast there.
Okay.
I'm just following your lead, okay?
Alright. Is that a coin? Are you scooping it up? Scoop it up.
Scoop it up.
Pour it in. Scoop it up.
Uh-oh. Put the scooper on top.
What are you looking for?
Daddy, can you find a spoon? Where's a spoon?
Do you see the spoon?
Oh, he sees the giant. Fee, fi, fo, fum. That's a giant. He wants to play in the sandbox. Oh, you hear that mean voice? Fee, fi, fo, fum. He has a loud voice. He's gonna play in the sandbox. Daddy, what does the giant say?
Fee, fi, fo, fum.